Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Welcome sa Sports Corner PH interviews on this rainy Wednesday afternoon. At gaya ng pinangako, cause nakadalo tayo sa Spartan Deca Presscon. Unfortunately, dahil natapos ka agad, dumiretso tayo sa isa pang engagement kay Chairman Bachman, which is yung pickleball. Nabitin tayo doon sa interview natin na face-to-face with Sir Mark Celis, ang General Manager ng Spartan Race. At siguro siya lang magpapaliwanag sa atin, sa ating mga followers and viewers, itong bagong uso na version ng Spartan Race, which is the Spartan Deca Philippines. At ano ba ang kinaiba nito compared doon sa mga usual na fitness type na mga palaro na of course iniengganyo natin ang ating mga Pilipino to live healthy and be active sa kanilang mga sports and to use this as a cross training sa kanilang mga sports. So Sir Mark, magandang hapon. Welcome sa Sports Corner and thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Alright. Magandang hapon, Gab. Magandang hapon din sa lahat ng mga tagapakinig ng Sports Corner.
All right. So thank you so much Sir Mark for gracing us with your presence. Kasama din natin si Sir Ponso na nag-imbita sa amin na of course makapag-join nga dito sa interview na ito. Anyway, so siguro kamusta ang naging pagtanggap ninyo ng fitness community doon sa naging press con kahapon dyan sa may Shangri-La? Sumaglit lang tayo doon at nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-excited ang ating mga fitness hobbyists, enthusiasts nga dito sa ating pinakabagong version nga ng Spartan, which is Spartan Deca. At pinakilala din sa atin yung mga ambassadors ng ating grupo. So, kayo summarize yung mga nangyari doon sa press con kapon.
Alright. Sige, Gab. Sabi mo nga, ang daming excited para sa Spartan Deca. No? It was a very warm parang acceptance. Parang everyone was so excited and are very eager to learn more about Spartan Deca. Siguro part nun kasi uhaw na uhaw talaga ang mga Pilipino ngayon sa isang proper hybrid fitness racing event, which is something na ginagawa namin para instead na yung mga Pilipino lalabas pa ng ibang bansa to compete, dito na lang tayo sa own turf natin. And I'm sure marami sa mga participants, they will do really well and we might even be able to be part of the global leaderboard in terms of Spartan Deca. So yesterday we were able to launch Spartan Deca into the public. So aware na yung mga tao kung ano yung Spartan Deca, who are our ambassadors. We have 6 ambassadors right now.
Can we name them po?
One from each key areas ng fitness na tina-target ng Spartan Deca. We have si Alex Diaz, isang Spartan racer also, but also a very famous celebrity here in the Philippines. And then we have Iza Umlas, a 3-time champion for bodybuilding. And then we have Coach Don Velasco, or Flying Don V, sabi nga nila. He is a very famous elite triathlon coach and athlete. And then we have Marlene Capones, multi-sport athlete and Spartan racer. And we have Kaizen De La Serna, of course, a SEA Games gold medalist and Spartan Ninja athlete.
Pero of course nakausap din natin si Kaisen during this meeting at sinabing excited din siya sa mga mangyayari nga dito sa pag-join nga doon sa DECA. And sino ba isa pa?
Last one is we have Justin Hernandez, yung another CrossFit champion also, and he's very well known here in the Philippines for participating alongside Manny Pacquiao sa Physical Asia.
Oh, so meron tayong mga iba't ibang mga personalities with good credentials, hindi lamang sa sports, but of course the fitness, at parang sinisimbolize nila, represent nila each zones to be at least to inspire more people, attract more people to do Spartan Deca. So Ano ba
Correct.
ang mission na binibigay sa kanila ng mga ambassadors to, of course, to inspire, motivate, and engage more people to do Spartan Geka, to join yung mga iba't ibang mga activities doon?
Yes, a lot of our ambassadors are very well known on their own field. Pero aside from that, they have their own struggles also, ano, they have their own obstacles, and that's one thing that we want the people to learn from them, how to overcome it and how to exceed expectation when it comes to this kind of sport.
Okay, so sa mga viewers and listeners po natin na interested nga dito sa Spartan Deca, of course, kaka-announce lang na yung una ninyong event, which is going to be October 3 to 4 dyan sa One Ayala sa
That's
Makati.
correct. Mhm.
So, for the information of many, kasi nakita natin yung simultation na mga iba't ibang mga zones na at least 10 zones sa decade na
Yes.
of course o sa parang siyang hybrid fitness event to test their endurance, to test their strength, or di kaya to test their agilities nga sa pamamagitan ng pagsubok nga sa iba't ibang mga zones. So, paliwanag natin sa ating mga kababayan natin, ano ba itong Spartan Deca at why is it different nga doon sa iba pang mga hybrid games na nakikita natin na yon?
Alright. Ang difference ng Spartan Deca when it comes to other hybrid fitness racing, ano, Spartan Deca is an indoor functional fitness test na created by Spartan Race. Meron siyang 10 zones. Of these 10 zones, you have to run before each zone. So, ang run nito 500 meters. So, once matapos ka, you'll be able to finish 5 kilometer. It's a lot faster than what the usuals are. So, when it comes to finishing the race, meron talagang mga nakakasabwan dito, no? Tapos, we also have different formats. We have actually 3 formats. Yung DecaFit Arena event namin, pag sinabi mong arena, ito yung maramihan talaga. Ito yung 5 kilometer run. And then we also have 2 other event formats. We have the Deca Strong, yung walang takbuhan, just the 10 functional fitness zones. And then we have the Deca Mile. This is 10 zones preceded by 160-meter run, which in total is 1 mile run. So for these two naman, you can do them in our local gym partners, our affiliate gyms. What makes that different is they are actual races near you. So hindi mo kailangan talaga mag-travel. You just have to show up and give your best. And then yung time mo doon, aakyat siya sa official time and we will check kung yung leaderboard. And hopefully this is one of our goals this year is to see the Philippine flag talaga sa leaderboard kasi kung pupunta ka doon panay US, Canada, ganon, and UK. So hopefully we're the first APAC country to infiltrate yung kanilang top 10 leaderboard.
And since this is a perfect opportunity na rin sa mga iba't ibang mga racers o di kaya mga fitness buffs nga na subukan itong 10 zones na ito, gaya na nabanggit natin sa simultation natin, pakipaliwanag yung sa amin kung ano yung 10 fitness zones na kailangan pagdaanan, kailangan pag-usayan, at parang ito yung test of time na rin kasi kung sinong pinakamabilis sa kanila, siya itatangal na champion.
That's correct. So our 10 deca zones, yung unang-una, we have the 30 ram alternating reverse lunges. Ano? On place lang siya. Tapos zone 2 is a machine, it's called a rowing machine. So 500 meters. Tapos we have zone 3, that's the 20 box jumps. Tapos zone 4 is the medical ball sit-up. And then zone 5 is the ski erg. And then zone 6 is the farmer's carry. Tapos zone 7 is another machine, it's the air bike. Zone 8 is the dead ball, wall over. Zone 9 is very special, sa amin lang nakikita to. It's the tank pull and push. So para siyang sled but it's a tank. And then zone 10 is the ram burpees. So with that completes our 10 zones. And just to give you guys an expectation also, we are very open not just to elite racers, but also to people who are looking to transform themselves. Naghahanap sila ng goal nila for this year. So this is very good for beginners also. In fact, we have categories na tinatawag nating teams or doubles na pwede kayong may kasama tapos hati kayo sa workload when it comes to the zones. Ayun.
Okay, so hindi lamang pit yung challenge na binibigay dun sa Spartan Deca. We have also mile and then tama ba strong?
Yes, oo. Strong yung walang takbuhan. Dire-diretso lang tayo dun sa 10 zones. And then yung mile, mas maikli siya. 1 mile lang yung run instead of 5 kilometers.
So more on in testing endurance ika nga itong mga competitions na yun. And of course, this will be owning their skills ika nga to and testing kung ano ang kakayanin natin ng mga Pinoy pagdating nga dun sa Spartan Deca. Lalo na Spartan Pit pa lang yung pinapakilala natin and then to follow na lang yung mga Spartan Mile, tapos Spartan Strong na sabihin natin gaano ka-challenging talaga ika nga lalo na nung nagde-demo sila yung ating mga ambassadors.
Yeah. It is very challenging kasi this one it's not like obstacle na kailangan mo talagang matutunan yung skills ano. You can come in pero you have to do the work. Yun yung ano natin dito. So sabi nga nung ambassador nating si Justin Hernandez, you have to learn how to pace yourself. Kasi minsan pag ibinigay mo ng todo sa umpisa pa lang, mahirapan ka talaga matapos. So pacing is key to finishing strong.
Okay. Bukod pa rito, meron ba kayong mga specific na mga age categories or yung mga singles o di kaya duo or trio, yung mga events na nakapagaloob doon sa DECA?
Yeah. For this particular event, this coming October, we're focusing on the elite, the age group, and for the teams naman namin, teams of 2, which is doubles. We have men's category, women's category, and mixed category.
Okay. And bukod pa rito, dun sa upcoming na DECA Pit, may mga nag-engage na ba na nag-participate na? Kasi meron kayo pa promo na of course, kung meron kayong kung merong 300 na unang nakapag-register doon sa Spartan Decapit this coming October, mabibigyan kayo ng limited edition na towel na parang souvenir na rin at parang
That's
milestone na rin na of course nagawa na rin na makapag takbo nga o makapag-join nga dito sa first ever hybrid fitness race ng Spartan Deca.
That's correct, no? So before kasi kami nag-press con, we released yung waiting list namin. Tapos yung mga nag-sign up dun sa waiting list, once na makapag-register sila, yung first 300 will get yung towels. Ano. These are our VIP athletes. So right now, I believe, Alfonso, we have around 180, 180 na yung mga nag-sign up. I think siguro before the end of the week, for sure, mauubos na yung 300 slots na yun. But don't worry, guys. Even if you're not part of the first 300, we have a lot of other things for you guys. Spartan Deca is going to be a very fun event. It's very new. The shirts and the medals are all top tier. So we're very excited for this event.
And ongoing pa rin ang registration. Pero
That's
kahit
correct.
matarget man lang yung 300, at least we have key numbers na agad para to make sure na magiging successful nga itong event na yan this coming October 3 to 4. Nabanggit natin, meron din kayong representative from the Department of Tourism, si Sir Lyle Uy, na pumunta rito. So, how's the commitment nga pala ng DOT dito sa event na
Yeah,
ito?
DOT has been very helpful with us naman. We're trying to create a APAC guideline or parang APAC travel guide for tourists or sports tourists coming here in the Philippines, and that's one of the major projects that we have, and we're very excited for it because a lot of foreigners do come here in the Philippines to do Spartan race, and marami na rin yung anticipated na papasok for Spartan Deca.
At kumusta reception ng the whole fitness community dito sa bago ninyong initiative? Kasi nakilala tayo sa Spartan Race, of course, yung maputik, mahirap magkasing yung mga amon ng iba't ibang mga Spartan trails. But this time around, this is actually indoor naman siya. Unlike dun sa mga Spartan races na nakikita natin, outdoor at convenient pa.
That's correct. So the fitness world is really changing, and it's changing fast, especially here in the Philippines. Marami talagang uhaw na uhaw at gustong mag fitness racing. So once we released our collateral, sobrang dami na naming inquiries. Super excited. That's one thing. We were able to partner with a lot of gyms and fitness centers, not just fitness centers but also yung mga CrossFit gyms here in the Philippines. And equally, they're all very excited for this endeavor kasi it's not just parang individuals competing this time. Even the gyms are very much involved when it comes to the registration and races.
And this is actually part of the integral part na rin ng ecosystem na rin ng Spartan Race, which consists of the usual Spartan races, and now we have the Spartan Deca na ngayon pa lamang ipapakilala sa ngayon. Pero meron din tayo nabanggit na parang roadmap na rin, kasi ito pa lamang ay simula pa lamang itong media launch kahapon, tapos counting the days ka before the first event sa DECA pit. Ano ba ang mga expectations nyo as organizers, considering na lumalaki na yung turnout ng numbers, and of course, our participants are getting prepared niya to showcase kung ano ang kinaganda at sabihin natin kinabahan sila dahil of course, first time nila malalasan na of course, mag Spartan Deca Pit, ika nga, Ibid Fitness Race.
Yeah, they're very excited for it. Our roadmap, we released it yesterday. We started off very strong with the press conference at EDSA at Shangri-La Plaza, and our next event after that is the August 24 to 31. We have a mall booth pa rin sa Shangri-La Plaza. But before that,
Pero
August
yung
19
mall,
to
pero yung
yeah.
mall booth, this is actually pwede kayo magpa-register, yung on-site
That's
registration.
correct. We'll have registration and we'll bring in some of the machines also for the people to try. Lalo na yung mga mahirap hanapin sa kanilang mga local gyms para they get to experience it.
And then,
And then August 19 to 21, we will be at the Philippine Fitness Expo at SMX Manila. We will be doing the Deca Strong there. We'll have our team doing a roadshow for the Deca Strong. And then this year, of course, our biggest event, October 3 to 4, Deca Fit at Space at 1 Ayala. That's our biggest event this year. And next year, we have two grand races planned already. We have a race on sa Cebu by March, and then we'll go back to Metro Manila by October again of 2027.
ano ba yung prizes na maaaring mapalalunan ng mga mananalo nga dito sa Spartan Deca Pit? May mga cash prizes ba? May mga giveaways mula sa mga sponsors and others na rin?
Definitely. So when it comes to prices, most of the price goes to the elite racers sa elite category. We have our cash prizes. We haven't released pa kung how much it is, but it's very competitive. Usually it's 300% of what is the registration rate na. Tapos when it comes to the age group naman, we have a lot of sponsors coming in, and they're very very giving sila when it comes to their products. Ayun.
What's the future in store para dito sa Decapit, considering yan na napapaumpisa pa lamang at maraming mga fitness buffs are aware nga dito sa inyong bagong initiative considering nakatatak talaga sa publiko itong Spartan races because of their adrenaline races na outside of the usual places nga pala, and we have also some of the best athletes na nanggaling talaga sa Spartan, pero dito masusubok na talaga dito sa ganitong klaseng hybrid racing event na tiyak pakakabangan natin ng ating mga kababayan.
Yeah. What we can assure the public is when it comes to any event, if it's whether it's Spartan Race or Spartan Deca, our team will always deliver world class service at but purely Filipino. So that's something na we're very proud of, and that's something na binabalik-balikan, not just the Filipino racers but also the foreigners. They can see the community is very lively here. And yeah, we're excited to serve everyone and to have them experience DecaFit.
Okay, so may ba naman ako kasi hindi tayo pwedeng pag-usapan lang single lang yung Deca. How about
Mm-mm.
yung Spartan races naman? Kasi last time we have a Spartan race dyan sa Bridgetown, sa Pasig, and then may mga sunod-sunod pa na mga races. So, kamusta po yung ating Spartan Race Philippines naman?
Spartan
Ah,
Race Philippines, ayun, sobrang saya din. Upcoming race namin this August 8 sa Agoo, La Union. So it's a racecation. Meron kaming Beast 21 kilometers, Super 10 kilometers, and Sprint 5 kilometers. So a lot of new faces are coming in to race for this one. I saw the roster, mukhang sigurado ako bago ang top 3 natin kasi yung mga national athletes natin medyo na busy ngayon, nasa World Championship sila. Tapos after the World Championship, they'll be going to China for the Asia Pacific Championship. So it looks like we're crowning a lot of up and newcomers right now for these particular races.
And speaking of World Championships, Asian Championships, kamusta na po yung ating team na rin? Sino yung mga pinadala sa atin? At ano ba yung sabihin nating realistic goals para dito sa ating mga national athletes under the Spartan banner? Now, kung sasabak sila, because we have familiar names like sina Sandy Benchi, si Tess Docquiao, at yung iba pa, si Elias Tabak kaya ata,
Yes,
nag-Spartan, di
that's
ba?
correct. Elias
Alright.
Tabak will also be participating. So for the OCR World Championship, this time around, nasa Switzerland siya. So it's very far. Ang usual problem natin when it comes to far races is the jet lag, and yung pag-acclimatize ng mga athletes, lalo na iba yung breathing when it comes to higher altitude. So that's why kung mapapansin mo, Sandy always takes over because she's from Baguio, so medyo sanay siya sa high elevation. So that's something na we're expecting also na Sandy and the rest of the team, since nag-train sila this time around in Baguio, it's something na mas madali for them, and we're very excited and we're placing high hopes on everyone.
At pinaka-advantage talaga is yung mag-train ka doon sa high altitude, ika nga, lalo na sa Baguio. Of course, nakilala naman natin si Sandy as one of the most decorated national athletes when it comes sa OCR, sa trail, sa Spartan, and we could see nga, she has an eye-oops nga para makuha natin ulit yung title natin.
That's correct. Yeah. We're very positive that Sandy and the rest of the team will be able to deliver this year.
Anyway, so last question na lang before we wrap up. How do you see nga itong Spartan Deck as one of the races na pakakabangan ng ating mga fitness enthusiasts na, and for surprisingly, alam natin gaano kainit ang kataglap natin dito, at mukhang sa race pa lang inaasahan pa namin marami ang susubok nga ng limits dito sa competition.
Yeah. our expectation for this one, of course, for this year, we're hoping a lot of people will join us here in Makati for the race. And next year, hopefully, we'll be able to reach more of the far-flung areas na naghahanap din ng Spartan through their local gyms.
All right. So, thank you so much, Mark. Thank you rin kay Alfonso na nanood din siya ng ating interview. Hello po, Sir Alfonso, at thank you sa pag-acknowledge niya dito sa ating ginagawa namin. Of course, sa pag-invite na rin ng sports scholar niya dito sa Spartan Denka. Kahit onti lang kami nila ng oras natin because pumunta tayo doon sa isa pang event dyan sa May Bridgetown. So, Sir Mark, baka may gusto kayo pasalamatan at batiin.
So far, salamat sa entire team, sa lahat ng mga listeners ng Sports Corner. Thank you so much, Gab. You've been with us since day one and we really appreciate it.
At invite our viewers to register nga dito
Yes.
sa Spartan Race.
Registration is still open. Just drop by at ph.spartan.com, choose your races, and then we will start away from there. Follow us
Okay.
also on all our social media. Maraming salamat, everyone.
At salamat, Mark, sa may, of course, pagtanggap nyo sa amin. At looking forward to interview again at visited itong Spartan Deca. I-schedule natin yan na aming coverage na doon kahit isang araw lang. And for sure, ang ating mga Pinoys are very much capable of to have their podium on their line dito sa Spartan Deca Hybrid Fitness Races. So, good luck and congratulations po sa ating lahat dyan sa Spartan. Bye-bye! Maraming salamat po!
Bye! Salamat!
Thank you po!